Welcome to Paradise Lost 6,000 years ago and restored soon. Hi. First, confuse. Second, lie. Want to be a god? You won't die. I ate it, and I can talk. Want a bite, Adam, love? You're going to die, Eve. I can't live without you. You can't live with her either. Haha, got you. The devil uses similar lies today. Leave now. Paradise lost 6,000 years ago. God has a plan to restore paradise. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have everlasting life. It's your choice now. Paradise restored soon. Praise God.